Crypto data firm Arkham Intelligence is facing scrutiny from privacy-focused crypto advocates after announcing a new service that incentivizes people to reveal the identities behind otherwise anonymous blockchain addresses. Joining us now to discuss is Arkham founder and CEO Miguel Morel. Welcome to the show, Miguel.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for being here. Now, it's been quite a week for you and Arkham. You know, some critics are calling the platform a dox to earn. I'll put that in quotations. How do you respond to this?
I think in general, many people are kind of, thinking about this new technology that we've developed, which allows people to make bounties and, make submissions of information regarding on-chain analysis. And I think rightfully, they're interested in knowing what are the boundaries, what are the guidelines of how exactly this marketplace is going to be used. One of the things that we've tried to be very clear about now, and recently we've issued guidelines is it is only for completely public information, and it should be used to give people market analysis, to give people alpha, and to help uncover scams, frauds, and rug pulls and exploits and things of this nature, not to necessarily invade any one individual's privacy, and certainly not to reveal private information.
Who's the user here? Who do you envision using the platform? Who do you envision participating in the ecosystem?
So we have had a beta program for the data analytics platform itself, which is a separate product from the Intel Exchange. And this beta has actually acquired hundreds of thousands of users. We released it in August of 2022. So we're coming up on the 1-year anniversary. And during that time, we've acquired hundreds of thousands of users, which are mostly made up of retail traders, professional trading and market making firms, journalism, and journalist websites and companies. And it's many people just trying to do on-chain analytics to try to understand more about what's going on in the crypto market, right? The fundamental financial assets of crypto exist on a publicly available blockchain. All of the information is given to everybody all over the world. Anybody can look at the network and observe what transactions are happening on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and so forth. And so people use the Arkham platform in order to do this kind of research and analysis. And those are exactly the kind of people I expect to want to try to find additional info on the Intel Exchange.
So exactly how do we know, people are calling it snitch as a service, but how do we know if, the actual information, if let's say there's a whale wallet out there and they say that it belongs to me, not that I'm a whale, but okay, let's say there is somebody, you have a conspiracy, if you will, several people say, this being the internet, let's have some fun and let's pin this whale wallet on this one guy. How do you verify whether or not that's truthful?
So like any blockchain analytics company or anyone who is providing data, you need to be able to verify the actual source of the information. For the Arkham Intel Exchange, whenever anyone makes a bounty or makes a submission of information, so the bounties are when people request information where they're trying to investigate what is going on chain. They say, I'm looking at this activity, it's suspicious, or I'm interested in learning more. Could somebody please, look into this for me? The submission is the reverse. Once somebody submits a bounty, anybody can look at that and then try and provide the answer. All of these things have to be reviewed and they have to be analyzed prior to actually going live. And if we cannot publicly verify that the information is, you can either replicate it or you can go and independently verify all of the information publicly yourself, then those submissions will not go live on the Arkham Intel Exchange. It's that simple. So somebody cannot just simply say, I think that this wallet belongs to CoinDesk, for example, right? If there's no evidence online that would suggest that that's true, right? So it's a place to avoid misinformation. It's a place to avoid, hearsay, and we can only confirm it using publicly available information.